Cook like Ukrainians.
Is there something more beautiful and delicious than Borsch for Ukrainians? I think no. Especially when Borsch was named as World UNESCO Heritage recently. Yes, Ukrainians really love Borsch very much, but sometimes they love soup с фрикадельками, it means soup with meatballs, even more. I'll tell you how to cook this favorite soup of Ukrainians.
Guys, do you remember I told you about making mincemeat in a video with stuffed peppers? There was the proportion of beef and pork, spices and how to mix this stuffing. Please watch that video so as not to repeat it here. As usual, look for a hint at the top of the screen or a link in the comments. Then, 4 meatballs of any size as you like. Ukrainians usually make them about 3 centimeters in diameter. Here you see the ingredients you will need to make the soup. Moreover, you can replace pasta with rice or wholly remove it. Parsley root is also optional. I just had it and added it for vitamins and flavor. Cut the carrots and parsley root into circles or semicircles as you like. Place in a saucepan and cover about 2/3 with water. You don't have to stick to the exact ratio of vegetables and water. Improvise. This is what Ukrainians do. While the water is boiling, chop the potatoes. Add potatoes to carrots and parsley root and put half of a raw onion there, without peeling. This will give a golden color. Then add pasta and salt to taste. Let it boil and cook for 10 minutes. Use a spoon to remove the foam from the broth so that it becomes transparent. Throw in the meatballs. After 5 minutes, take out the bulb. It is no longer needed. Put greens in the soup. It will add flavor to the broth. I usually use half of a chopped bell pepper and green onion. But this time I had frozen green peas and leeks. It turned out absolutely great. A little more salt and pepper a little at the very end. Enjoy! Cook like Ukrainians.